again. Optican, healthcare on demand.
Start firing! Look out! I can't wait to...
What the? Need immediate medical assistance? Choose Optican.
I'll get you, you big jerk! Big freak!
What's her name, Gunny?
Ms. Naval Intelligence. Our new boss. Oh, brother. So check your mouths, find your chairs, and get set for a combat drop.
Squad, what's your status? You still with me, Buck?
Yeah. Give me a sec.
I hit pretty hard. My head won't open. How about yours?
Works great.
Right. When you get done fooling around, I could use some help.
Did I do something wrong? Because the only thing I regret about you and me, not knowing you were a spook when we first met. I would have been a lot less charming.
That's what I missed most about you, Buck. Well, your mouth was always a little faster than your brain. Look, don't start about my job. We both agreed to end it.
That was years ago, Veronica. I'm a little fuzzy on the details. Must have met a lot of other saps since then. Why pick me for the safari?
First, you're the best soldier I know, and second, I don't remember that night. What you asked me in the morning?
I remember not getting an answer.
Say again, Buck. You're breaking up.
I said stay put. I'm on my way.
We missed our LZ. This grid is packed with Covenant. Be careful.
I appreciate the concern.
Won't be much of a rescue if you're dead.
Someone kill that thing!
Get you, you big jerk!
Take this with you! Stick them all! Let's eat it together!
Your pod hit. You're one lucky SOB.
See any more come down?
Negative. But I didn't see much of anything after that flash. But listen, some of these buildings are open. Should be able to get inside. Flank the Covenant on the streets.
Roger that. Thanks. What? Grenade out!
Ready yourself! No! You should not have killed my brother!
Another
I'm hit! Coward! Here's the kill! It's not...
Got a little jackal problem.
An overcharged plasma pistol shot will neutralize their shields. It'll also take down a brute's armor.
Oh yeah? Where were you a minute ago?
Still trapped inside my pod.
It's still there. You, all of you. I see one. Average contact. I'll kill you and everything like you.
Buck, location.
Almost there. What's wrong?
Multiple hostiles closing on my position. Listen carefully. If I don't make it...
Whoa! Hang on. I'll be right there.
Too late, they spotted me.
Damn it! No! Veronica! Talk to me! Don't move! I'm coming, you hear? Hunters? Oh, no, I do not have time for this! Turn around, you bastards. Let me shoot you in the back.
Buck, location.
Almost there. What's wrong?
Multiple hostiles closing on my position. Listen carefully. If I don't make it...
Whoa! Hang on. I'll be right there.
Too late. They spotted me.
No! Veronica! Talk to me. Don't move. I'm coming. You hear?
Stay here.
Got him!
We must bring it down. Here's one. Don't make us stop.
Hunters? No, I do not have time for this! Turn around, you bastards. Let me shoot you in the back.
He's in cover. Damn you, God!
Watch out!
Attention, travelers. Lost items can be claimed on lower level.
Treasure pod. Need to find a way down. I'm here. I gotcha. Oh, nuts. Whoa, whoa! Whoa! What the heck was that? You ever seen one before? Hey, Romeo, you got your ears on? Oh, I get it. Permission to speak, smartass.
No, I don't know what it was. But it was gonna grease your ass good. Just like it did the captain.
Yeah, maybe. You're from Mickey, Dutch?
Negative.
The rookie. We need to get above this crap. Link with the B-net. One of our drones must have seen where they hit.
So we're popping smoke in the lady's mission? She ever tell you what she wanted?
No. Never. Doesn't matter. All I care about now is getting my men out of this city. Even you.